I guess we could talk about this. I am doing on my side an event that kind of goes with my course. It's locked in leads. So the cliff notes of it is like we're doing 3 events a year. It's going to be a 10K buy-in for this first round. And then after that, it's going to go up to like 25K. But we're doing the first event in San Diego. We're going to do an awesome event somewhere like Aspen or Vail. And I'm going to rent a big chalet or like a big suite. And then everyone can just meet there. We're going to snowboard, going to hang out, going to talk business. The idea behind it was like, I'm so tired of going to like stuffy events where you just sit in a room, listen to people talk shit for a little bit. And some of the stuff is applicable to you and some of it's not. But I was like, I always get the best info and make the best connections and meet some of the like best people when I'm like hanging out in a room with a bunch of people, having drinks, having food, just like no pressure. So that's what I wanted to create. So it's going to be 3 events a year, snowboard one or ski one, whatever you want to say. And then we're going to do someplace tropical and fun. And then we might do a digital one, or I might just like scrap the digital idea because that's not really that fun, and do another event somewhere else because I like hanging out with people.
Yes.
And yeah, man.
Miami.
Yeah, I mean, I'm down for whatever. And then I'm gonna the goal of it is kind of like with the money that I will make from that, I'm going to pay to fly all my friends in that are big names in the industry or speakers, whoever you want to talk to. Like, I'm open to suggestions. And so everyone can like just meet them and grow their business. I really think that like this group I think it's going to be the most beneficial thing that I've ever done, and also the most fun thing I've ever done. I really think that like everyone's going to be very happy with the outcome in the end, because they're going to be even if you meet one person that has a little insight into the business that you're doing and a little bit more advanced than you, they can completely change the game for you, you know?
Yeah, networking is probably one of the best things you can possibly do in this industry, especially now. Like, one guy, like Gabe said, gives you one little tip or one different approach or whatever it is. It literally can make you, multiples on whatever you spent for going to something, including your airfare and all that too. So getting out there is like, I would say just meeting people has probably been, if I could say the one thing that's helped my business grow, it's definitely been networking.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm excited, man. I think it's going to be fun. I'm forcing Tyler to come to all of them. I got to pay for him, but he's coming whether he likes it or not. Also, Tyler's a really good snowboarder. You guys don't know this, but he's reckless. Like he'll race anybody.
I'm getting older now, bro.
You're fine. So yeah, I think that's the gist of it. If anyone's interested, you can like DM me on IG at Gabe Ansel, or you can hit me up via email or whatever you want. Or Skype, whatever you need. I'm around. I'm happy to answer more questions to you. I'm not going to sales pitch you on any of this shit. Like, if you want to come, you can come, and if you don't, then that's fine. I'm not offended. But yeah, I think it's going to be fucking awesome.